Okay, second video of the day. I think probably the last video of the day because my voice ain't all together. But we're going to open our Benevolent box, our favorite beauty box subscription. So if you'd like to see what cruelty-free items Benevolent sent me this week, then just keep watching. So as always, we got a little card letting us know what's in here. Okay, let's start with this. I mean, I don't mean to be rude, but this looks like something I could get at the Dollar Tree. So this is Manna Kadar Cosmetics Blossom Floral Compact. This retails for $29. It's a multifunctional press, blush, and highlighters. You can use the 3 shades separate or blend them to achieve a perfect balance of color and light. So let's do it together. Oh, that is a really pretty color. Okay. I actually kind of like that. I already got blush on, but you know. I don't think you can ever have too much blush. That's my philosophy anyway. Okay, I like that. I shouldn't have been snarky when I first opened it. All right, next on our list is from Bellápierre Cosmetics. This is, oh, I'm excited for this. This is a color stay. So this is this is like for you know, I use a glitter glue before I put on my loose pigments or my glitters. So this is the same concept. So I think we got some eyeshadows in here. So we'll lay a little bit of this down and see how she performs. This retails for $10. So awesome. I can always use some of that. Okay. Next we have Starlooks Makeup Remover Pen. This retails for $14. I have used these before. I'm honestly not a fan. Let's see if it'll work. So what you do is, like when you do your eye makeup, if you mess up, you just take the pen and it removes the makeup. So see how it did like a line there? I don't like them because I don't think they do remove the makeup, but it's not a straight line. It almost kind of, I find that these kind of, they're oily, so they tend to bleed a little bit. So you don't get a straight, precise line. Honestly, what I prefer to use is a really flat eyeshadow brush and dip it in a little bit of makeup remover. And that works better. But we'll try it. Did I say how much that retailed for? $14. And then the pièce de résistance is another Bellápierre Cosmetics. This is the Romantic Brown Eyeshadow Set. I was really excited to see this. If we can get it open. I wish they had sent me. You could either get the Romantic Brown or the Mermaid. That Mermaid had some gorgeous colors in it. So this comes with 3 loose pigments. We have Espresso, which is like a brown, Deja Vu, and Antiqua. And then you got an eyeshadow brush. So let's try out that glitter glue with this. Does this have shimmer in it? With this Antiqua. Is that what I picked up? Yeah. Ooh. That's pretty. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, I love that. It's kind of a duochrome. It's like a lilac, but then it shifts to like a I don't know, maybe a copper. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm excited to try these. This retails for $45. So, oh, that is so pretty. So the total retail value for this box is about $99. So see the difference between the Petite Voir and the Benevolent box. I just feel like I get more of a value with Benevolent box, which is why she is a keeper. All right, my loves. Until next time.